alam yung energy.
Yes!
Anyway, thank you so much for your time, for your effort, for coming here, because we all know we have typhoon right now, Opong, and despite of the weather, you're still here with us, no, with the send-off of Miss Grand Philippines, and thank you so much also for your support. As of now, we're on our voting na for top 10 arrival para makapag-dinner kay Papa Nawat. So I can see some of the media pages sharing our photo online, and for that, maraming salamat po, my media friends. Thank you. That's 25 also. I had my send-off yesterday at Kada Umaga, Matang Aguila, and also I did the entertainment news last night. So medyo sunod-sunod po yung ating naging schedule. Kaya nga kung narinig nyo, sinabi kanina ni Mommy Jason, not feeling well. I'm not feeling well, but my heart is still grand. That's why I'm here in front of you, and I'm doing all of my very best. Hindi na 100 to parang 200% na to. Because dito na tayo, di ba? This is what we prayed for. And now we're praying for strength and guidance that soon we will have a historic back-to-back victory.
That's from Manila Standard. With Emma, I know kung gaano kahirap mag-live newscast, no? And you're a media practitioner. So what have you learned most being a newscaster, and how can you apply it to win our back-to-back Golden Crown and Diamond?
Being a newscaster is really like the people trust you to give information to them. And your words really matter, and they're really powerful. So what I've learned from being a news anchor, because you're doing it live, you need to be really prepared, you need to review, research. You are not going to trust lang kung ano yung nasa script eh. Because sometimes there are mga parang mistakes or mishaps. So you really need to learn. You're a storyteller. And you're bringing like a big information to a lot of people. And I think yun yung pinaka-lesson na kaya kong madala sa Grand International stage. Like, you need to really research. You need to study hard and be careful with whatever words na iyong sasabihin kasi it might hurt or it might inspire people. So, di ba mas maganda kung mas nakaka-inspire tayo through our words?
Yeah, thanks so much, and so much agree on that. Last question: we're in the era of AI and fake news. So, what advice can the youth and the young media practitioners can learn from you?
Like what I said earlier, we need to really research and be vigilant. You know, there are a lot of news that we hear, that we read online, so we need to be really careful on the sites, and we need to look at the multiple sources. Hindi tayo dapat mag-trust sa isa lang. We don't need to share agad-agad. What we need to do is think twice, think thrice, and look for multiple sources. AI na to. So, malaking tulong na, AI world na meron tayo. So, malaking tulong yon. So, dapat hindi lang in just one click, di ba? One click na yun na sa spread na natin, doon yun bumula yung fake news eh. So, we really need to be vigilant right now.
Thank you, and best of luck for our battle.
Thank you so much.
Okay, for the past months, it seems na parang nagiging lucky charm natin nagiging lucky charm country natin ang Thailand. Early this year, CJ took over and assumed the Miss Grand International title from Rachel. And just last night, si Kurt nanalo as Mr. International. So tingin mo kaya natin mag three consecutive in a row and back-to-back sa Miss Grand?
Hindi lang 3, meron pa tayo mga, di ba, candidates na lalaban sa Thailand. So, with your support, with your love and with your prayers, I think we can make it. Because as you can see, I am doing my very best. Last week, I was just there to meet some of the Thai people and to mingle with them para naman makita nila na we're really ready and we're open for them to collaborate. So, marami pa tayong pasabog na ilalabas soon with other Thai personalities. So, abangan.
Okay, follow-up question lang ano. So, in your opinion, what is the difference between Emma, who competed internationally few years back, and Emma now who is about to compete again in another major international pageant?
What I can say is that Emma now is the evolved version with all the combined experiences and wisdom, because right after joining Miss Intercontinental 2019, I became a news anchor and TV host, and with all the experiences I had with Nat 25 and with the events I did outside, I think talagang malaking tulong siya for me to be the evolved version of Emma to be in the grand stage right now.
Thank you so much and best of luck.
Hi Emma, I'm Esho Pageantology, and congratulations in advance. Kailan ka lilipad going to Thailand?
I'm going to fly po on September 29, that's on Monday. So I'll see you also, I hope so. I see all of you sa airport on Monday, September 29. 3 days to go.
What time? Morning.
Ayan. Chikang kayo dyan, ha?
Anong oras sa airport?
Of course, ito yung mga tinatanong ng ating mga pageant fans. Can you give us a clue or hint about your national costume?
Oh, about my national costume. Well, hindi na siguro secret na same pa rin ang national costume designer. It's with Patrick Asurena. But the style is, siguro hint na lang, hindi ako lalayo kung saan ako nanggaling. And that's something to do with Kapampangan.
Ayun lang. Thank you so much and best of luck, girl.
Thank you!
Mabuhay.
Mabuhay!
Well, congratulations, and we're manifesting it, the back-to-back. So, my question will be a little bit, hindi naman,
Hirap ba yan?
medyo hirapan natin ang slide.
Ala, parang may sakit ako ulit.
Because Miss Grand is about, di ba, yung fight against war. Diba? And currently here in the Philippines, we're fighting a different kind of war as of the moment. We're fighting about war against corruption. So what can you say about it? Your thoughts about it?
Grabe, no? The corruption is, ang main source talaga niyan is greed. Greed of power, di ba? Greed of money. Doon yan nagmumula eh. And what I can say is, right now, we are all Filipinos. Lahat po tayo ninakawan. So, I think right now, it's time to fight for our right. And I commend all the people who went dun po sa 3 trillion march, no? And kahit wala po ako doon, I have my voice, they have my prayers, and it's time na no division for this one, no colors. All we need to do is unite as one, fight for our rights, and I hope our officials will come out kasi they're public leaders eh. Some of the people voted for them kasi they trusted them. So I hope that they will not break the trust and they will see us as part of their family also. Siguro kung makikita nilang ganon, they will not do that to us. They will be accountable sa kanilang mga ginagawa.